I want to establish schools for nurses, for all those women who are coming out of the future, willing to take my vow. I solemnly pledge myself before God to pass my life in purity and to practice my profession faithfully. I will abstain from whatever is deleterious and mischievous, and will not take or knowingly administer any harmful drug. I will do all in my power to elevate the standard of my profession, and will hold in confidence all personal matters committed to my keeping, and all family affairs coming to my knowledge in the practice of my profession. With loyalty will I endeavor to aid the physician in his work, and devote myself to the welfare of those committed to my care.
Miss Nightingale, the Queen has listened to you with interest and the greatest sympathy, and as the most righteous cause arouses proportionate opposition, the Queen is convinced you will not be dismayed by this. Her Majesty has commanded me to present to you this brooch, the forms and emblems of which commemorate your great and blessed work.